Alright guys, I'm about to blow your minds again with this very powerful yet simple strategy. Alright, I always bring you guys very powerful strategies, very simple strategies. I am particular about bringing simple strategies because I know there are people who are just coming on board and they don't really know how so many things work around here. So I really want to make these things easy for you because I want all of us to win. I want everybody to grow together. I can see how fast the channel is growing and I really appreciate it. I'm very happy. And I just want to see that everybody is growing together. All right, that's what makes me happy. All right, so as you can see, we are on this trade. We took this trade and we are catching multiple spikes. So I'll take my time to show you guys how we do this. All right, how everyone is making money on my VIP platforms. All right, sorry about this delay. Okay, so you can see we are making a lot of profit, guys. We're making a lot of profit. We're making a lot of money. There is no single day that passes by without the VIPs making a lot of money. All right, there's no single day that passes without the VIPs making a lot of profit, guys. So I just want to show you guys how we do it so that you can do it from anywhere at all, guys. Anybody can do this from anywhere at all. All right, you can see testimonies from VIPs who are really cashing out big. All right. So I'm showing you this to motivate you. All right, to show you that just anybody can do this. Just anybody can do this. All you need to do first is to be able to practice and understand the strategy that I'm about to teach you now, and you can do it yourself like a boss. All right, and if you can't do it like a boss by yourself, we are still here to guide you. So all you need to do is just click the link on the description of this video to join our Telegram platform. All right, be a part of us, join the member, join the family. All right, be a part of us, see how we are doing these things, and then join the rest of us to do it for yourself too, so you can also win and also testify, guys. All right. So everyone is happy, and that's what makes me happy. All right, I could actually be in the comfort of my home and make all this money for myself by myself, and but what is it when you make, what is the joy when you are making the money by yourself and your brothers are not eating? All right, so I want everybody to eat, I want everybody to feed, I want everybody to feed well, make money, guys, make money, guys. This generation is quite very easy for us to make money in this generation, guys. I just don't want anybody left out. Join us, guys. Join us, guys. All right, so I'll be sharing with you how we do this stuff right now. Okay, and on this powerful strategy, I'll be showing you how to use EMA, exponential moving average, to make money off the boom and crash market, to catch multiple spikes. And trust me, guys, you can do this like a boss. You can do this like a boss. As you can see, we're in maximum profit already, $200 and counting. All right, I am going to hold on to catch more couple of spikes. All right, we make this much, guys, every single day, guys. There's no day we don't make money, unless we just want to lazy about. All right, but as long as you are on your charts and you are following the principles I'm about to share right now, you are going to make money. So stay close, watch this video to the end. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that before. Turn on your notification bell so that when I post more strategies, you will always be notified. I don't want anybody to be left out. All right, so in this strategy, these are the indicators we are going to be using. Just two moving averages. All right, just two moving averages on our main chart. Just two moving averages on our main chart. Okay, so these are the settings. Period 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice, but make sure that it is visible on your screen. All right, you click done as soon as you're done with that, and then go back here again. Let me take my time to show the newbies where to click. Should you want to add an indicator, that's where you click. All right, so you just click that F sign and then you add the second one on your main chart. Remember, on your main charts, this is where you click that F plus sign and then you'll be able to add it. So you add the second one. The second one is okay, I think we are going to be using 20 period 20. Yeah, Let's use period 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Styles 2 pixel. You can use any pixel that you want. You can use any pixel size that you want as far as it is visible on your screen. And also you can use any color of your choice as long as you can see it on your screen. So you just click done. When you're done with that, excuse me, I need to run that up again. All right, so we are using, sorry about this mix up, we need 50 period and 20 period moving average. All right, remember it's exponential moving average, period 50 and period 20. So you have these settings now, guys, right? So let's fire down to the real deal. All right, so how do you ensure that these indicators are not going to give you false signal? How do you want to make sure that you're not getting false signals from these indicators? As you all know, indicators tend to lag and then follow price behind while price is already going ahead and all of that. It happens sometimes. Nobody should lie to you. All right, but I am going to share with you what I tell my students. All right, what I teach them is what I'm going to show to you guys now for free. All right, so the first thing you want to do is apply price action on your analysis. Is very key. It's very key. If you don't know how to trade like a professional, you don't have price action skill, and you want to acquire the skill, trust me, guys, if you want to be profitable for a long time in this business, you need to be able to trade the market by yourself. All right, if you are taking signals, trust me, there are good signal providers out there. But what if they're no longer there, right? What if they no longer, what if they're no longer there to provide signals for you? All right, but I always ensure that my VIPs, I teach them what they need to know, so that even if I'm not there to give the signals, by me looking at the charts with a fair knowledge of price action, they can tell that this is going to happen even when the indicator says it might not happen immediately. All right, and they can also say this is not going to happen even when the indicator says it's going to happen ASAP, right? So that is why people prefer to do business with me. People prefer to sign up to my own platform, because I take my time to school everybody and make sure everybody has a fair knowledge of how these stuff work. So you always want to apply price action to your analysis. It's very important. All right, want to learn price action? I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number to the description of this video, so you can chat me up directly. All right, don't be afraid to chat me up. Make sure you just, if you have any challenges, come to me. I'll always be there to attend to you guys. So you want to join my mentorship program? It's very affordable. I am taking students every month. All right, we take a certain number of students every month. All right, we don't take plenty at a time. We take a certain number of students every month. So you can just chat me up to know when we are open for training. All right, when you're open for training, you join us and make sure you are ready to learn, because in a matter of 2 weeks you become a professional and you're already running the market by yourself. You become a mentor too, and also help carry other people along. All right, so do well to chat me up. All right, join our mentorship program, join our VIP services. Our mentorship program comes with full access to the VIPs, lifetime access, so that you make money while you are learning. All right, it's very key. So with a fair knowledge of price action, you want to know the market direction on a higher time frame before you start using the indicators, right? So we go to a higher time frame. This is boom we are trying to make money from. All right, we are trying to catch spikes, multiple spikes from the boom market. All right, so you want to be buying when the market is in an uptrend. Okay, how do you know the market is in an uptrend? You want to see series of higher highs and higher lows. All right, plenty of them to confirm that the market is in a bullish trend. All right, if it's a crash market you want to trade on, you want to catch multiple spikes on the crash market, you want to be selling when the market is in a strong downtrend. Right? How do you know a strong downtrend? With your fair knowledge of price action, you know that series of lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs signifies a downward trend. So you want to be selling at that point. But in this very video, I'll be showing you how we made a lot of money catching spikes on the boom 500, and this strategy works perfectly for boom, every boom asset, every boom pair. All right. So you are on higher time frame, you have seen series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. All right, the next thing you want to do is to identify your area of value, your areas of value. You want to know your key zones where market is likely to reverse from. All right, where the market is likely to reverse from. Remember, the as many times as possible. You want to see reversal at that point as many times as possible. All right, and also note that if you have too many reversals within a short period of time, it also signifies weakness of that zone. That means price is likely to break that zone and go down. So you don't want to make mistakes. That's why I need you to learn price action. I'm ready to teach you. You just need to be ready to learn, and then you can chat me up and enroll in our mentorship program. All right, so now that you have been able to identify your key levels, how do you even identify your key levels? You can use your horizontal lines, you can use the trend lines, you can use all right, you can use your Fibonacci. I don't know how you do yours, but I combine both at times. All right, Fibonacci and horizontal lines sometimes to be sure of the key levels, to make sure of the key levels. But at this point in my life, my trading life, I look at the chart and I already know where the key levels are, even without these tools, right? I already know where the key levels are. But if you're a beginner, you want to make sure that you practice and you are able to spot these zones immediately, or to spot these zones carefully, right? So you have been able to spot your resistance and your support level. Those are your key reversal levels. All right, you want to wait for price to come to your support level. All right, you want to wait for price to come to your support level on a higher time frame or at any time frame at all, but make sure that you identify these levels at a higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame. All right, so the next thing you want to do is wait for price to come to that level, and when price is at that level, all right, what do you do next? You look at the candlestick patterns. All right, this is why price action is key. You need to understand the candlestick patterns. You look at the candlestick patterns and you can tell the next move, right, from each candle that prints on the charts. All right, each candle tells you something. All right, so you look at your candlesticks and you know what's going to happen next, and then you go down to a lower time frame. We can use the 5-minute time frame as in this case. All right, and then you wait for price to go across your moving averages, guys. All right, as in this case, I allowed price to come. All right, I allowed price to come above the moving averages here. All right, the two lines here, you can see these are your moving average on your main chart. And then when price goes above your moving average, right, for one thing, I'm a very patient trader, guys. I don't rush the market. That's why on our VIP channel, we give max 6 signals a day, guys. We don't do more than that, because we want to be looking for high probability trading setups before we give out to our VIPs, because the VIPs deserve to win. We don't want to just rush the market and give out signals that we are not sure of. All right, so how are you sure of, this is a game of probability, but how do you make sure that your setup, your signal is of the high side, the high probability side? All right, you want to always make sure that price goes up and retest the area that you're trying to buy from before you take a buy. All right, as in this case, I allowed price to cross above the moving averages, and then I allowed it to retest, and I entered my trade from this level. You can see that's a sniper entry right there. And what happened next? Multiple spikes, guys. If you go to a lower time frame, you'll see multiple spikes. So this is where we took the trade from. Excuse me. You can see multiple spikes. Price came back, crossed over, retested that area, and then it pushed to the upside, guys. All right, it pushed to the upside. So this strategy works perfectly on a 5-minute time frame, rather. On the 5-minute time frame, all right, the zoom level should be the third zoom level, and you're good. All right, I can show you more. You can see in this case, you can see price goes across. There were a couple of spikes here, 1, to, but I did not rush it. I allowed price to come above, all right, and then I could take a trade from here, all right. But since this did not retest, I wouldn't even want to enter the trade, right? To be on the safe side, I could enter on my personal account, but I wouldn't give the signal to my VIPs because I want to make sure that they're taking only high probability signals. That's why they win every day. That's why the VIPs win every day. That's why we are winning every single day. We are making a lot of money. I showed you the platform before. We are making a whole lot of money. All right. I can keep showing you more examples where this works out perfectly. But remember, you're always going to have to apply price action. It's very key. You can see price came, crosses above the moving averages here, and then we tested that area. But this, in this case, it did not spike immediately. It still dropped a bit. All right. That is why you need to always allow your candlesticks to tell you something. All right. Allow your candlesticks to print something that you are familiar with. All right. So yeah, that's why patience, price action is key. Price action is key. Patience too is key. So this is another example where price crosses above, retest a bit. This is it, crosses, retest, and then boom, it flies to the upside, guys. So this strategy works perfectly for every boom and crash asset. All right. It also works the directly opposite. How it works for boom is how it works for crash. All right. For crash, you want to be seeing price cross below the moving average, right? All right. You want to be seeing price cross below the moving average, and then you wait for it to retest above, and then you sell. All right. This thing is very simple. I don't know why some people make trading seem like it's very difficult, but with a fair knowledge of price action and with powerful strategies like this, you can never get it wrong. All right. And even if you get it wrong, 9 or 8 out of your 10 trades will never ever be wrong. 9 or 10 out of your 10 trades will always be right because you are doing the right thing. All right. So take your time, practice this strategy, make sure that it works for you perfectly before you apply it to your real account. Guys, make sure it works for you perfectly. Make sure you're comfortable with this strategy. Make sure it works for you. I'm going to leave the link, like I said, to my WhatsApp on the description of this video, so you can chat me up. You can join our VIP, you can join our mentorship program. It's very key that you know these things for yourself, because if you learn to know this stuff by yourself, it lives in you forever, and wherever you are in this life, you just could make money from anything. All right, so stay close, enjoy this video to the end so you can get full value, guys. All right. Also, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before. You can see how fast we are growing. This channel is barely 5 months old, and we've already come this far. All right. I love the growth. I love the growth. I love the growth. I like the fact that everyone who is on our VIP is also growing with me. So I want you guys to grow. I want all of us to grow together. All right. I want all of us to grow together. All right. This is another perfect example. Price crosses retest. All right. And then it pushes to the upside. You see, retest, it pushes to the upside. All right. This strategy never goes wrong. So this is another perfect example. All right. Price crosses above, retest the area, all right, and then pushes to the upside. So you cut spikes as much as possible. Sorry about that. So practice the strategy, make sure it works for you, and then come testify, guys. I love to see those testimonies. I love to see how people tell me how much money they've made, all right, from using my strategies. That's what makes me happy. The money I make for myself does not make me as happy as when I see people winning with my help. All right. So do well to practice this. Do well to like this video. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Do well to chat me up. Join our VIP. It's for your own good. It's for our good. It's for our growth. I need all of us to grow together. Do well to join the mentorship. It's for our good. I need you to make money while I am happy. All right. So, yep, that's it, guys. Practice it, perfect it, and then feast like VIPs, guys.